Hi students, in this section we want to learn about chemical properties of acids. All acids, when they combine with metals, they produce hydrogen gas. Not only the acids, with bases also they releases or produce hydrogen gas. This production of hydrogen gas we want to learn in detail using of this activity. Okay, for this activity what are the requirements? That is, first of all, the apparatus required for this activity, it is one is of test tube, second one is delivery tube, third one a glass trough filled with soap water, next one the chemicals, that is of one is the zinc granules, second one is hydrochloric acid, that should be in the diluted form. So firstly have to take one glass test tube, and this test tube has to be fixed to a retard stand. This one is the retard stand here, and take some dilute HCl acid into the test tube. Now have to arrange one single hole rubber cork to this test tube, and through this hole have to arrange one delivery tube or the delivery pipe, one end of the delivery pipe inserted into the test tube, and the second one end of the delivery pipe, that should be keep inside another glass container which is filled with soap water. So here you see, this is the delivery pipe or the delivery tube. One end it is connected to the inside the test tube, and the second end that is inserted into the soap water. Now before going to start the experiment, now have to open the single hole rubber cork and have to place some zinc granules. That is, zinc being a metal, here this metal we want to take it as in the form of small pieces, that is the granules here, and have to close the test tube once again by the what it is, the single hole rubber cork. So when the zinc granules reacts with this dilute hydrochloric acid, now you can see some bubbles are going to be formed, that indicates here the chemical reaction will be taking place between the zinc and HCl, that is the hydrochloric acid, and during this reaction hydrogen gas is going to be evolved, and this gas is going to be coming over out from the inside the test tube through this delivery pipe, and this gas now it enters into this soap water. Here this is the soap water being means once the hydrogen gas enters into here, now you can see some bubbles are going to be formed here, and meantime we are ready with one burning splinter or maybe a burning candle, and have to keep this burning candle. Now this one is of the candle here, and here this one is the flame of the candle. Okay, initially the color of the flame it is of somehow the yellow in color. Now this one is the hydrogen gas. Now it is going to be evolves at the other end of this glass pipe or the glass tube, and here when you kept this burning candle very close to this hydrogen gas here, what the observation you have noticed here, it is now the yellow color of the burning candle flame will turns into the blue in color, and not only that, after some time you can see here some pop sound that will be produced here. So this indicates that the liberated gas it is of hydrogen. Why? Because the sure test for the identification of hydrogen gas, it is of turning of the yellow color flame into the blue in color and making the pop sound here. So that indicates here, whenever the metal, that is the zinc or maybe whatever the metal, if you take here, when it combines with this acid, now the reaction will be taking place here, and finally you can get the hydrogen gas here. Now see, this one is of the test tube here. and here this is of the diluted hydrochloric acid. Diluted means the acid which contains the water content. Okay, next one is this is of the retard stand, and this is of single hold rubber cork. Single hold rubber cork, and this one is the delivery pipe or tube, and this is the glass trough. Inside that one, here we have soap water, and here these are the hydrogen gas. These bubbles indicates the hydrogen gas, and this is of the burning splinter. So this is the laboratory procedure for notification or identification of the hydrogen gas whenever metals they are readily combined with what it is the acids here. Not only the acids, with bases also same will be the result you can get. Okay.